This is the main highway. It's pretty rugged, to say the least. It goes up through the jungle and over through the mountains. There's a lot of windy roads here. Ian's exhaust has come off, so we're just going to stop at a store and try and get something to fix the bike with. Karting store. Morning. Hello, how are you? My friends, anybody English here? No? Hello. How are you? My friend's exhaust come off in his motorbike. We need to fix with something. He's coming. So maybe some, maybe a bolt or some wire or something.
Oh.
We found something, but not much. He'll be here in a minute.
Your friend?
On the other motorbike,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah.